Hey guys, Daniel here of Pinoy Techno Guide, and I have here a review unit of the Realme 5 smartphone. Let's unbox this to see what's inside the package and get a hands-on experience. Let's embrace a new journey. That's the phrase that will welcome you upon unboxing the phone. We have a free phone case here. It's a transparent and flexible jelly case. Then we have the Realme 5 smartphone itself. Let's remove this protective plastic and take a look at the phone's back. Realme calls this as the diamond pattern design. At the bottom of the phone, there's a loudspeaker, micro USB port, and 3.5mm audio jack. The left side has the volume buttons and SIM card tray. The power button is on the other side and there's nothing at the top. At the back, we have the quad camera system with a 12 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera, and another 2 megapixel depth camera. Let's turn this on and set it aside while we check the other contents of the box. Here's the charger with 10 watts of charging power. We also have here a micro USB cable with Realme's yellow accent color. The last item in the box is this SIM Injector Tool. No earphones here. The SIM card tray has 3 slots, 2 for nano SIM cards and a separate slot for a micro SD card. Some smartphones use the second SIM card slot for the memory card, so this is a better configuration. Upon setting up the phone, you'll be prompted to enable face recognition and the fingerprint scanner at the back. And this is the home screen of the Realme 5. It's running on Android 9 Pie and ColorOS version 6. It also has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset with an octa-core CPU and 4GB of RAM. There's 113GB of usable storage out of the 128GB total internal storage, but this will be different if you have a different storage variant of the phone. For the pre-installed apps, there are several tools from Realme, Google Apps, Facebook, Lazada, Opera, and 2 folders that will contain promoted apps from Realme's own app store. This phone also has a teardrop notch on its display. This is the camera app and here's a sample picture. It looks good, but I have to test this further with different subjects and scenes. Let's also take a selfie using the phone's 13 megapixel selfie camera. AI beauty is turned on by default, so make sure to turn it off if you don't like it. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Realme 5. I'll create a gaming tests video and a full review of this smartphone soon, so click that subscribe button and share your thoughts about this phone in the comments. For the latest smartphones in the Philippines, go to pinoytechnoguide.com/smartphones and see you guys in the next video.